Hello, Syncup is an Chrome extension which can be used to sync your Airtable and Google Sheets data. So we sign up with our Google account. First, you choose your email ID, and if you will continue, it will ask for the permissions to be allowed. It asks for the Google Drive, Google Sheets permission, and your personal email ID, which is used as a used to register your app with the backend database. So we do allow. After signing up, you have to give your Airtable personal access token from Airtable Developer Hub. You can get the details how to get the Airtable token in the help page. So once you give your uh, Airtable token, you have to give your workspace ID from Airtable. Do a test name, uh, give the workspace ID, and click submit. So that's it. You are all set up to sync your Airtable data with Google Sheets. So this is a test Airtable I have created. So if we click sync, it will send the data to Google Sheets. So it's been created. So when you go to Google Sheets, you can find the Airtable here. So you can do the same thing from Google Sheet to Airtable also. I hope it's useful to all. Thank you.